you have understood the poem very well. Now let's start the book exercise. Open your book, page number 82, everyone. 82. This is your poem. And now here see the exercises are given. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words from the blanks. We shouldn't cut down trees. Two options are there, mercilessly, obediently. The answer will be mercilessly. Today's dash is very high. Today's temperature is very high. Did they dash the game? Did they win the game? I can dash French. I can speak French. The dash of Delhi is extreme. The climate of Delhi is extreme. The dash of wrestling has been withdrawn from the Olympics. The game of wrestling. Next, they are dash soldiers. They are brave soldiers. The soldiers are running to dash them up, to warm them up. Okay, so you will do this exercise in book only. You will not copy it. Okay, like I have done now. I have just marked it here. You will also mark it and then you will write the correct answer over here. Okay, now come to this exercise. State if the following sentences are true or false. The moon walks the night sky wearing a silver hoop. Yes, this is true. The trees and the fruits were a golden tone. No, we are talking about the poem Silver. So it is golden tone given there. So this answer is false. The moon illuminates the casements of a house. Yes, this statement is true. Illuminates means to lighten up. Okay. Doves were sleeping in the court, showing their white breasts. Yes, the answer is true. Now come to exercise number 3. Complete the sentences with the words from the poem. The trees and the fruits were a silver tone due to the presence of moonlight. Okay. Next, the poet imagines the moon to be a lady. Now turn your page number 84. Since it is moonlit night, the court is full of silver light. Okay. The reeds wear a silver glow as does the water of the stream. Okay. All the spellings are given here. Please check. Don't write wrong spelling. Okay. Now next exercise number 4. Put a tick on the correct option to complete the sentences. See here 4 options are given there. The moon is walking slowly. The correct answer is slowly because the poem is slowly, silently, now the moon. Okay. So the moon is walking how? Slowly. Next, the moon puts on the shoes, doesn't move at all, moves barefoot, only takes rest. No, it will be puts on shoes. Okay. The object which have silvery gleam are fruits, trees, thatched cottage, all of them. So everything converts silver when the moonlit night is there. So the answer will be all of them. Now next question. What is the moon compared to in the first 4 lines? A dog sleeping, a log and its sturdiness, a tree and its silvery leaves, a person walking around looking at everything. So I have already explained moon is compared to a lady. That means a person walking around looking at everything. So this is the correct option. All the book exercises which I have discussed now, you will do it in your book only. No need to copy it in your copy. Okay, that's all for the book exercises. Thank you.